everybody tested that the Earth is circular in Minecraft, and it turned out to be fake. But today I got one kinda the same, but not the same. Is the Earth in infinite flat circle? Because look, I got a flat world so I can see it properly. I made my chunks. In the end of your chunks, you always see a circle. It ends up like a perfect circle in Minecraft, and even that, and that's illegal as it gets. But it's a whole circle. Like the more higher you go, the more circle it is. Once you run out of chunks, I'm flying up. See how they look at this circle. It's just a circle. And I'm gonna show you something in draw. I mean in paint. Paint. I got the app. Let me guys get it there. And as you can see guys, look at this guys. I'm gonna draw. Look, in real life this is Earth. It's a sphere. But I think in Minecraft it just goes on in an infinite way. Like it does not end. So yeah, I know I don't draw it as good as oh, I forgot. So now you see. And if it wasn't like that, why would we be seeing circle? That means like when we get back, we get more chunks, it would be like this, and we can't see circle. Like, what is this? It's so wrong. Unless Minecraft really showed physics like it already does. So, but in real life, the Earth is a part of our solar system. And we have a moon and a sun. And a lot of planets, but in Minecraft we also have a moon and a sun. Let me just erase all of this junk. Look at this. I'm gonna show you. So if our solar system was a circle, flat circle, that means also the moon and the sun would be flat circles, and we would be like a sketch pad. Let me erase this and get back to the drawing. Like if we put the sun here, pretend this is the sun. If it was, it needs to be flat too, which because that means it would not be able to yeah, you see, it would not be able to crash into Earth, because if it was crashing, we would be like a sandwich. And you all know in Minecraft it cannot crash. So if it was circle, if it circle flat, it would not crash, because if it crashed, it would be act like this. Like what's this? It would turn into a sphere, and that's not how it works. Or we would just become all in the Nether, like this. I'm gonna make the Nether portal. So now you see what I mean. So guys, that's the drawing part. Now let's get back into Minecraft. As you can see, and I have a sun. And also, no, wait, it, and if the, no wait, we're not done with the paint. The sun goes around it, which means, look, if the sun goes around it, that means the Earth, the Minecraft Earth has a limited thing. Like once you reach the world border, it stopped you, yeah, but there's more of it. but then it it just stops. And then, so once the sun is going, it goes from across the earth. The flat sun goes like a flat peanut butter sandwich and goes like this. And the same thing goes with the moon. Because if it was just go, how would it be doing? How would it be going in the earth like that? So the sun is the thing. It give so it's the world is not infinite, and it is a flat circle. This myth is my true myth. So I think this myth is true, but we're not done yet. We need more facts. So let's see. That was yellow. Concrete is needed, and we need blue. Like this on a setting. So that means the earth is limited. Yeah, it's a terrible circle, I know. And then we do this. Get some, and then pretend this is the barrier border, because we see more land when we reach the border. We see more land, which means it's not over. We have this much space, and this space is for itself, and after that space, it comes to space. It makes perfect sense. Because and there must be a border over here, so I can block the sun from going crash and making this place all go all in flames, like I'm about to make it in flames right now. Because if there was no border at also the end of the place, it would be like this. It would go like this. This would burn everything over. That's what could happen if there was no border there. The sun would break us all. So this is why I said this is true. Does it make sense? Goodbye, guys. I think this was true.